Augustus. And I'm doing the dishwasher because my mommy told me to. And I'm very obedient. Just like that. And doing the dishwasher is good for you. It makes you smart. Alright, it's probably dirty. This is probably dirty. This is probably dirty. It's probably clean. It's probably clean. It was probably dirty. And this one, it's probably clean. This one, good. This cat, probably dirty. Gotta put her in the dishwasher. This cat, probably dirty. It's probably dirty. Are you dirty? You dirty. Why is she twitching? Well, okay then. Why'd she put her books on paper? Oh. Okay guys, I'm gonna do the rest of the dishwasher. And it's actually all the dishwasher. You see right here. It's dishwasher. It's the dishwasher that I use for dishwasher. Cause hey guys. So this cup is probably clean, and this cup probably clean.
It's probably clean. This cup
Looks pretty dirty. Has my mom's lipstick on it.
probably dirty. Cup probably clean. Star
Star, probably clean. Lid, probably clean. Cup, probably clean. Hey sissy, I'm doing a dishwasher. This cup, probably clean.
Did Greta tell you to do this?
No, mother. Mother wants me to do this also. Because I'm obedient.
But she's out with Dad.
Yes.
Bird, confirmed.
I'm not a bird. And then we have this cup.
Then who are you?
Probably clean.
Then who are you?
I'm Augustus. My name, you pronounce it other ways. Augustus and Augustus. This cup probably dirty.
Put your hoodie on.
No, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. This hoodie probably dirty. Go take a shower.
And I'm gonna make rum.
For me?
No.
Oh.
I thought you were taking a shower, Mom.
Probably yes. Then we have this plate. Partly dirty. Gotta put it in the dishwasher. Then we have these cups. Partly clean. Sorry. Then we have these cups. Partly clean. Then we have the star. Partly clean.
Hey, baby, are you feeling better?
And then we have
That's good.
more stuff in the dishwasher. Partly clean. Hey guys, my name's Augustus. And we got more dishwasher. Stop it! And we got more dishwasher that I have to unload. So,
Isn't that the Lord's job?
we have a knife. It's partially clean. It looks clean.
You're so cute.
Stop.
Why?
Is Augustus 4?
Then we have
How old
A s-
are? Hey, Augustus, how old are you?
Parsley 14.
I don't believe it.
Then we have a spoon, parsley clean. Then we have a fork, parsley dirty. More stuff, parsley dirty. More stuff, parsley dirty. Segavaline. Parsley dirty. Kisk. So many stuff parsley clean, parsley dirty. So parsley.
Augustus, you're 4.
No, me knows for. So many stuff parsley clean, cups and
Augustus,
stuff.
are you 4 years old?
No.
How big?
So I'm 14.
You're
And
not 14. Stop lying.
this is the end of the videos when I made a story. I made the stuff out of the dishwasher. I'll see you all later.
Can you make a YouTube channel just about Augustus?
No, me no wise. I'll see you all later.